Good evening. Tonight I will be showing you guys. Good evening. Hello, it's your boy Jay Munchie, and today I want to show you guys how to add your own logo as a watermark to any picture, video, and any app that lets you add a watermark as a part of the app. So as you can see on the screen, you might see something on my Instagram that looks a little off, and you see something in the middle that says Your Empire. Okay, that is my logo. I'm about to show you that I can move this logo anywhere I want. Now this is part of my screen app that I'm using to record this video to show you guys how to add your logo on your story, because you can actually add extra photos to a photo or a video story on Instagram. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right here, right now. So let's go to let's post something on my story. Okay, we just want to post a picture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post I guess I could just post this picture with my coffee. Okay, took this picture earlier. Now you can see that my logo is still here, but I can go and hit this button, hit this square smiley face. Okay, it will bring the menu up for you. Can choose the location, mention, hashtag, questions, GIF, music, poll, quiz, donation list. But let's go all the way to not the bottom, but you want to go to where you see the photo. You see the circle with the photo camera? You don't want to click the photo camera, but right next to it is basically a square and a plus sign. You want to click that. Now here's my pictures. So if I want to add anything as a watermark, it has to be in PNG. And PNG means basically a graphic without a background. Wow. Okay, here we go. We finally here. Okay, so now these are logos. And how you know they are logos? Because you see a black background. Got a little tongue twisted right there. Okay, now I don't know if you see, but my Your Empire, this right here, this logo right here is literally right here. Okay, I have the Pac-Man emoji, the Pac-Man logo, the Your Empire with the globe, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to just show y'all. I'm going to click this one. Now, see, this is URE. It looks exactly like this one. So you know this is my logo, just to show you. And it's simple as that. And I could just click this. I can put it anywhere I want. Put it anywhere you want, how you want to design it. Oh, that actually look kind of nice like that. Oh, I like that. But I kind of want it right here, just because there's a little absence back down there in the dark space, and that actually looks good like that. So we're going to click that to our story, and you go back and check. Now, when you do a picture, you're going to be able to see it quickly. So that's how you do your logos or watermarks. It's really easy. Gang, 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 gang. You now ganging with the gang. Hey, 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 hey.